Hello, today we will guide you through how to make charts and graphs in Google Sheets from scratch. To begin, open your Google Sheets file so you're looking at the spreadsheet where your data is stored. This can be a blank sheet you've started filling in, or a sheet that already contains sample data. The important thing is that your information is arranged clearly in rows and columns because that's what Google Sheets will use to build the chart. If your data has labels such as names, categories, or dates at the top, that will help make the chart easier to read once it's created. Next, highlight the sample data you want to insert into the chart. Click and drag across the cells so that all the values you want to include are selected. Be sure to include any headings or labels if they describe the data, since Google Sheets often uses those labels automatically for chart titles, axes, or legends. Taking a moment here to select the correct range is important because the chart will only reflect the cells you choose. If the wrong cells are highlighted, the chart may not display your information in the way you expect. Once your data is selected, move to the top menu and click Insert. This menu contains several options for adding elements to your spreadsheet, and it's where you'll go whenever you want to place something new into the sheet. In this case, you're using it to turn your selected data into a visual format. This is a useful step because charts can make patterns, comparisons, and trends much easier to understand than raw numbers alone. From the Insert menu, click Chart. As soon as you do, Google Sheets will generate a chart automatically based on the data you highlighted. It will usually choose a chart type it thinks best fits your data, such as a bar chart, column chart, or line graph. The chart will appear right on the sheet, giving you a quick visual summary of your information. At this stage, you've successfully created a chart from scratch in Google Sheets. If the first chart style doesn't look quite right, that usually means the selected data may need a different visual format, but the creation process itself is complete. A good tip is to always review your selected data before inserting the chart, since clean and organized data leads to clearer results. That's all it takes to create charts and graphs in Google Sheets from scratch.